everyone, welcome back to Stylish Naija YouTube channel. I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you all for subscribing to Stylish Naija YouTube channel. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, you are highly and very welcome. If you have not subscribed, please hit on the subscribe button and then hit on the bell also to get an update whenever I upload a new video. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to cut and sew this trendy skirt. The truth of the matter is I actually don't know what to name this skirt. It is like a tulip skirt. It has like a tulip detail in front, so I'm just gonna name it a trendy skirt. So in case you know the name, please drop, I would like to know in the comment section. Okay, so now the first thing, so these are my fabric that I'm going to be using. So I'm just going to be making like a mini of the skirt. That's like a little form. So I have my pattern paper here already. So now I'm just going to go ahead and draft the skirt. So I'm just going to repeat this just because of the sake of beginners that really don't know how to cut a straight long skirt. So that's why I'm going to be doing this. So I already have some lines already on my pattern. So this is my waistline, this is my hip line, and then this is the knee line. So in drafting a straight skirt is a very simple, it's like the easiest thing ever. So I'm going to come to this place, which is the waistline. You divide your waist measurement into 4. That's your waist circumference. So for this I'm making use of 24. So just use your own applicable measurement. So I'll just add my measurement. It's divided into 4. I'll add it here, and then I'll come to the hip line. I'll divide my hip measurement into 4 also. I'll add my hip measurement here on this line. And then on the knee line, what I'm going to do, my hip measurement, I'll reduce it by 2 inches. And then I'll add it here on the knee line. So these are all of my points. So just go. So you see how easy it is. And then I'll use it. So for the down part of my skirt, so for the down part, you are going to determine how wide you want it to be. So mine, I'm just going to open up a little bit, just a little bit at the down part, so you see what we have. So for the dart, so you can use half of your bust span measurement to add the dart on your skirt. So your half of your bust span measurement, so it depends on your, and then I'll just use 5 inches down and then take half of an inch on each side, and then I'll connect them like this to give me my dart intake. So I'll go ahead now, cut it out. So if you are cutting out the back, you use the same pieces to cut out the back. The only thing that you are going to do, you are just going to add a zipper allowance to the back piece. So I'll place this on the fabric and then I'll cut out the straight part of the skirt, and then we'll work on this piece to get the tulip effect out. Okay, so I've cut out the main piece, so I'm just going to keep it on the side, and then we're going to work on this for our effect. Okay guys, so now we're going to create our style line now. So I'm going to make use of my pencil to create it before highlighting it with my marker, so with that is easier. So you notice that it came into the waistline, that's the entire waistline. So I'm just going to try and use my hand to like create what I want. And then on the knee line, it cuts across the knee line. And then for the other one here, I'm just going to come down below my hip line from those points like this. So I think I like what I have now. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my marker to highlight it. So I think the style line is okay. Okay, so I think I like what I have here. So I'm just going to go ahead now. I'll cut this out first, and then I'll show you how to transfer this on the fabric. So just cut across on the style line like this. So I have that. And then I have this. So this is what we're going to make use of. So when you're cutting, I'm going to add extra inches to both of them so it will be able to lap properly. Okay guys, so I finished cutting. So you can see I added extra allowance of about 2 inches on one side and then 1 inch on the other side, especially to this smaller piece. Why I did this, so I'll be able to lap it properly. So I'll be able to place it on top, and then, so I just want to show you. So you see, this is how it's going to sit. You make sure that it is sitting properly. So you can see, you see how much allowance we have inside. So I'll just go ahead, I'll pin it down. So when you are stitching, you are just going to go ahead, you make sure you, if you are using, like the original fabric was an ashoke that was used. If you notice, the edges were closed with an applique. So you can decide to do that. But if you are making use of another fabric, you can just make sure you finish up all of your edges before you do a top stitch. So this, you're just going to do a top stitch on top. So I'm just using my pins to indicate it. So this is how it's going to look like. So I'll go ahead and I'll place it on the skirt before you start stitching. This is your main skirt. So you're just going to take this like this. And then this sits, so you can see how it fits perfectly on it. So you see what we have. So at the end of the day, this is how our skirt will look like. So for this part, you can actually style it however you want to style it. You can make it longer, you can make it shorter, but at the end of the day, this is how it's going to look like. So you place this on top and then you secure it on the edges. So this part, you just secure from this point to this point, and then you join your front piece to your back piece. So thank you so much. If you find this video helpful, please hit on the like button. If you have not subscribed to Stylish Naija YouTube channel already, please subscribe. And if you want to register for our online classes, you can see my number scrolling through the screen. Send me a message on WhatsApp. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. God bless you. Ciao.